Today I'm gonna show you how to fix a stuck trigger on Dyson v11. That's the torque, as you can see. So what happens is the moment that button is pressed, it kind of gets stuck. So what I have to do is pull it like this. But there is a better option. The way this is designed is the switch is in the battery. So what happens is this lever pushes down on the key on a switch over here. So the best way to fix this, there is a screw here. As you can see, what you gotta do is unscrew it a little bit and then push this one to where you get a little bit of gap and turn it back. What this does is increases the space in between. So there will be not as much pressure on the button and the switch, and it will stay released. Good luck.